Hello everyone. We have a problem. Uh, we have to find x where square root of x plus square root of 3 is equal to square root of 48. Let me move towards the solution. From here we can separate square root of x, which can be written as 48 square root minus 3 square root. We can write it as 3 into 16 square root minus 3 square root. We can write it as square root of 3 into 16 square root minus 3 square root. Taking square root of 3 common, we get 16 square root minus 1, that is square root of 3. This 16 is 4 square root. 16 square root is 4, that is minus 1, which is equal to under root 3 into 3. This is value of x square. Taking square on both sides, we will get square root of x whole square is equal to 3 times 3 whole square. So square will be cancelled out with the square root, and we will get x is equal to 3 square into square root of 3 square. Again this square will be cancelled out with square root, so we will get x is equal to 9 times 3, so x is equal to 27, which is the required answer. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.